Hey everyone, Kathy here, and today we're going to do some little dessert soaps. Oh gosh, I'm going to need some new goggles. Anyway, try and work with these. Well, we'll try and work without them. We're going to do some little dessert soaps, and I'm going to use these little Bundt silicone molds, and then we're going to decorate them up after I unmold them tomorrow. So we'll frost them and we'll put some fun little things on the top. I'm doing them in frosted cranberry fragrance oil, and hopefully doing like a white and pink swirl. I'm using raspberry mica and titanium dioxide. So I will pour some off to do my raspberry bit of the swirl, and hopefully I can do this without splashing because my goggles just broke. I guess that's a sign I should buy 2 pair next time. So we're going to try and be really careful here so I don't splash up into my eyes. I don't recommend anybody do this, but I don't have a choice right now. Like, I must use my goggles an awful lot. They just kind of disintegrated into my hands. So anyway, I'm just going to kind of make sure I'm burped here. Gently blending. I don't want to go too crazy and splash up at myself. Just kind of want to bring everything together here. Not too much. So we'll pour off some into here, and then I'm going to hand stir the rest of the way. So there's that. And we'll take this off now. And we will get to mixing in our color and our fragrance and start pouring into our molds. So in goes the raspberry. I love this raspberry mica. It's from Brambleberry. It's a really pretty color. And then my titanium in here. And hopefully will remain fluid enough to pour into our molds. But I'm going to do like an in the pot kind of a swirl. I'm going to set this here for a second. I just want to get this titanium in here really well, and then pour in my fragrance oils. So we'll pour most of it in there and just a tiny bit left in the red, in the raspberry I should say. And hopefully get a really nice swirl happening. So I'm just going to kind of pour from high, get down, and then we'll do a little lower, scraping out my picture. Very pretty. And just kind of do a little swirl like so. And we'll get this poured in here gently, hopefully. It's thickening. Hopefully I can go quicker here. Whoa, a little too quick there. Oh. I put my molds on this tray, and because that way I can bang them down and even them out here once I'm done pouring. And if I have more batter, I will just slip it into another mold. So I'm just trying to get this in here for now. and bang it down. It's a really cold day and I felt like making some soap and something fun. So let's see if I can bang this down here in a second. Yep. The banging didn't work so well, so we'll have to individually shake them just to try and get them even here. The first few didn't turn out too bad, but then it started thickening on me. So let me see. I've got a few more here. I'm going to try and spoon into these. And then tap those down. Maybe that will be enough. Tap that down a little more. And I think I can spoon some of this off into some of these, just to rise them up, get them a little fuller. And then we'll spritz them with some alcohol, let them sit for a day, and come back and decorate them. I may have had my oils and such a bit warm. Usually I soap a little cooler. Usually I soap a little cooler. And I didn't soap quite as cool today. So that might be part of the issue. Let's see. We'll put some in here. So much for that. I will get these tapped down here a little and set them on the table here. And then we'll come back tomorrow and do the fun stuff. I'm going to wipe off the center as much as I can. Some of these won't wipe too much. Just trying to get that cleared off. And they'll be really cute once they're decorated. They don't look overly cute right at the moment, but we'll get them cutified. You like that? Cutified? Alright, so let's see. Good enough. Get my hands wiped off here. And we'll give them a little spritz with some alcohol. And then we'll come back tomorrow and we'll do some decorating, and I'm going to go make some cute little cranberry looking embeds for the top of these. So I'm going to get those all ready the rest of today. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll do some pretty piping and decorating. So we'll be back in just a second for you. All right. Okay, we're back and I'm ready to start piping on these. What I've got here is I made a small batch of soap, And in this part, I used a Velvet Pearl mica from Nurture Soap. And then I added just a tiny little bit of pink lemonade to it. Just so it's not like quite white. So there's my piping soap. And then I'm going to hopefully be able to do some cute leaves, like a leaf or two on the top. And then I'll put one little berry on top of that. And then we'll sprinkle it with glitter. So that's my plan. I just have to get this in the piping bag now. Hopefully somewhat gracefully. And then we'll get to going. More snow today. It's disgusting. I'm getting so tired of snow. I can't wait to go on vacation soon. Going in March, so. So anyway, I'm tired of winter. What's new? Alright, so I've got my soap in the bag. And just an open star tip. I put these on freezer paper here because I know my soap will touch the bottom. So hopefully I will have enough to do each of these. I think I will. I might go back over and add to them if I have more than what I think I'll need. They smell wonderful. I know some people don't like the cranberry fragrance, which is fine, but I really like it. And they're so cute. Oh yeah, I'll have plenty. Sorry if you can't see what I'm doing here. Okay, so that's, I'm going to add to each one here another dollop. Just to make them really pretty. They'll look nice with the color on the top. As well. Okay. So there's that. Now to do the leaves, and I'm not the best at leaves, but we'll see what we can do here. As long as it, just a little bit of green on the top. Oops. You're kind of getting better as I go. Sort of. Then I screw up on one. couple. Okay, I think I've got them all. Now, time for a berry on each one. I'm going to take my gloves off for a moment. And I made all these little cute little melt and pour berries yesterday. See, aren't they cute? Just setting them right at the beginning of each leaf. Originally, I was thinking, you know, it's cranberry. Usually there's, like, you see it in bunches of 3, but that would be too much for the top here. I think I've got a delivery. I have these cute molds coming from Voyager Soap and Candle. And so I'll be making a soap for you guys on those soon. And we're almost done here. Anyway, I'm going to be fragrancing them with oatmeal milk and honey, and they're cute little molds with little bumblebees on them. Really, really cute. I think they're going to turn out just adorable. Hopefully. Hopefully. So these are cute. These make cute little gift soaps, you know. And they'll be going in probably into grab bags over on our Etsy site. And there's that. So I've got all my berries on. Let me spritz my hands off here. And so they'll be going into grab bags, possibly into subscription boxes. I don't think they're too big for the subscription box, so they may fit in those as well. And then finally, yes, actually, let me spritz these down, and then we're going to hit them with some glitter. I shared a cute little meme that said something like, go insane, hit it with glitter, make it rain. And I thought, man, exactly. It was so cute. So we're making it rain down upon these. Right now. And they'll just be the cutest little things. You could set these on your counter and just leave them as is, or you can use them, of course. And so anyway, I think they turned out just really cute. We'll bring it down here. And there we go. Our cute little frosted cranberry cakes. And I think they're just too adorable. Just too adorable. So like I said, look for these in gift bag or grab bags, and probably subscription boxes coming up in a March, April time period. But they're so cute. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate you tuning in. And hit us up over on Facebook at Dirty Booty Soaps, and Instagram as well, Dirty Booty Soaps. And I'll link you to our Etsy shop below. And until the next video, you guys have a great day. Bye for now.